Well guys, this is going to finish up the Supercrew project. Got my backup camera ran. Got it mounted right here. Works good and everything. Got my tail light out because I had to hook the backup camera up. This backup light was out, so before I put that back on, I'm going to get another bulb. I do have to clean this thing. Got this door panel all put back together and this window fixed. Got this door panel all fixed up. Now the seats I did just leave like they were because I had to keep the cost down. There's a radio with a backup cam and everything. Because I did have to go ahead and do a steering gear on this. Got the rear brakes done. Got the wheels over there getting painted right now, so they match the front here. This paint, first time they hit the mud a little bit, they scratched up. So this paint kind of got the intake on it with K&N air filter. I did put a spacer right there, give it a little bit more power. Like I said, it just really needs clean. I got the mirrors taped off and repainted. This one was the original mirror, and this one was a mirror from another one. They are actual different mirrors, but now that they're on there and painted, it doesn't look, it's not apparent anyway. But all the electric mirrors and parts of it and stuff work. So I did go ahead and take off the little side things here. I'm going to have to get all that off. And I guess that's about it on this truck, guys. It's ready to wrap on up, and it's actually already sold, so it's even better. So I'll get a little video after I get it cleaned up and everything, just to kind of wrap it up. But that's the walk around, everything we done. All that's left for them really is the seats. And boy, this thing's just a strong truck. Went ahead and did the CV axles on the front, all kind of front end stuff, just trying to find what it was, and it turned out to be the steering gear. They had tested it before, because I thought it was steering gear, but they tested it and said no, most likely it ain't the steering gear. So, but it turned out to be the steering gear. So after replacing all the front end components here, pretty much, this thing, man, it's as smooth as a Cadillac now. So all right, well, we'll get it all covered up, guys, and move on to the next project. All right, well, we had to clean these wheels so we could paint them. Super Clean was nice enough to send me some products to try. So we'll see what it does on wheel grease, road stuff, and brakes, of course. Let's try it out. Well, I'll tell you, they look a whole lot cleaner. So what we'll do, we'll go over to this Jeep wheel. This is pretty dirty. We'll go ahead and spray it down and see what it looks like on it, while we're waiting on them to dry. Might have to clean them again. Well, that wheel looks a whole lot better. It didn't do real good on this stuff, but true. Well, hold on. Truthfully, I think that's just chips. What I might do with that later is put some bed liner on it or something. That'd be alright. But anyway, the tire's clean and the wheel's clean. Take you around this other side, show you what it looked like before. And after. All I did was spray it on there and hit it with a brush. Now what I will do is I'll let this all dry, just like these. I'll let them dry. Actually, these I'm going to flip over and clean the inside. And then I'm going to let them dry and see how it dries up. I'll let you guys, we'll come back when that's done. Alright, this did so well on the wheels. Let's clean this whole nasty Jeep up. I'm going to bring you guys in closer so you can see. This stuff is just all over this paint. So we're going to see what it does. Now I'll tell you on the directions it says spray a little area and see what it does before you go in there further. But this paint's already, it's ate up. So, and maybe this will help it. I'm not saying it's going to make it perfect, but let's see what it does. Alright guys, we'll let this dry and see what it does. We'll show you the difference. You see I only did this half of the hood, so that half I didn't touch. But from looks, it looks better. We'll let it dry. In fact, I'm going to let this go ahead and burn while it's drying. I think that's good enough drying. Let's come over here and look. Still a little bit here. I guess I could probably hit it with a brush again, but look at the difference. This side was cleaned. You can see where the paint's faded and stuff, of course. This side was cleaned, and actually where the paint's not faded as bad, see the difference in the fade? It actually came really clean. But over here, where we didn't do it at all, boy, that's a... So, like I was saying, they sent me some product. They are not a sponsor. They did not sponsor this video. They just sent me product to try. And this is one of the things I did with it. And this is the other. I'll tell you. Just look at it. Look how the tire itself is clean, and then also the wheel. See, this one, the wheel and the tire are still dirty. Look at the difference. Now, it didn't clean this. Well, it did clean this. This right here is all chips and stuff, but look at the difference in the plastic. So all this grime stuff. So I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. Pretty good stuff. Safe to clean. Pretty good. They did send me some other stuff in a spray can to try. Well, maybe we'll try cleaning the engine, or maybe we'll try cleaning the engine, or maybe we'll try cleaning the grill out back or something. But man, he actually did pretty dang good. Look at that, where the paint's actually good. It's got a shine on it now. Super clean. Appreciate it. Well, there it is, guys. It's finished. Got it all cleaned up. Seat still needs to be changed or repaired. That's where I just got in and got my feet dirty. But there it is. Good truck. I think the wheels came out pretty good just for some spray paint. Well, I did use the wheel paint, but and the tires I cleaned with that super clean. It does really good on tires.